Novavax surging after the biotech company saying that it will receive $350 million from Canada to settle a forfeited vaccine doses that were previously scheduled to be delivered here. But Akiko, we might be seeing a brief bounce here in the stock today because we know Novavax has raised some red flags just about the viability of their business, their ability to continue making revenue beyond the COVID-19 pandemic, given the fact that demand for vaccines is down. And this is the only product that they have brought here to consumers.
Yeah, the only product in 35 years
Yep.
or one not there. I mean, so, a 30% bounce there, but, worth noting that Canada can essentially terminate this contract with Novavax if they don't necessarily get regulatory approval for some of the production there. So there's still some question marks around it, but hey, that 30% jump, at least for one day, certainly welcome news for investors of Novavax. Fox stock hit with a downgrade from Wells Fargo over ecosystem risks surrounding Fox News. Shares there are down more than 1% here. There's a number of factors here at play, Seana. There's the cord cutting, number one, which is something that we have seen a lot of cable outlets have to deal with. There is also the face of the network really shifting with Tucker Carlson leaving, or at least getting the boot. And so, how do we read the stock? It's tough to say how much of this is Fox specific, how much of it is a broader trend that we're seeing. How do you break it down?
Yeah, I think it's almost more of a broader trend that we are seeing when it comes to cord cutting, because the fact that we're still up 11% year to date, given the fact that Tucker Carlson did leave, I think a lot of people have almost moved beyond that. And we have seen Fox News depart with some of its biggest names in the past. They are largely able to keep their base, keep the very, very loyal fans that they have. So I think that the broader issue with Fox going forward is the ongoing cord cutting and what that exactly looks like, how that is reshaping the industry as a whole. When it comes to those ecosystem risks that Cahill was talking about in this report, he was just focusing on the fact that most of Fox's earnings are a result of Fox News earnings. So when anything happens there, it could potentially pressure the company going forward. Obviously, cord cutting, a massive issue here, and something that they are not alone with in trying to figure out how exactly to best deal with this and shift the consumer base to online.